How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, and I'm going to talk about two stocks that have the most potential to go up in a very short amount of time frame. And everyone that's in my Discord, they know I have profited off of these two stocks already, and I'm looking for a bigger move up, and I'm definitely accumulating these things. And I'm going to show you guys my system and why I do like this. Everyone has heard of Cheetah Net Supply Chain Service, CTNT. This is my first one I want to talk about. And before I get too into it, if you want to join the Discord and see my entries and exits of my actual exit plans, because you do want to take the profits on the way. If I make this video in like a month from now, it's like way down, but it had one big pump. I promise you, I'm out of that, and I have took the massive gains. I'll put the link down below into YouTube comments. There'll be a link if you want to join. It'll be pinned. So CTNT is the first stock I want to talk about, and if you stay till the end, there's a second stock that I really love, and this is not just pump advice. This right here, based on technical analysis and what my system has been doing repeatedly, we will get a nice pump. Alrighty, so we have CTNT had a massive move from the $1 range, and we went to all the way to 14 on the market hours. I remember pre-market. I'm going to show you guys the 4-hour time frame. We went to a high of $45. So this thing has just lost repeatedly. But will we get a conservative bounce? That is all we need. No one is trying to predict the exact, top this thing is going to go to. No one would have known it would have went all the way here. But I guarantee you we're going to get a nice rally here. So the main thing we want to look for, I really don't care about the EMA 20, which is this one. I really don't think it's going to hit this band here in a short amount of time frame. And the reason why I'm discussing this, I love exponential moving averages. I use them probably the most unique way that anybody tells you. A lot of people look for crosses and a lot of other ways to do. I look for retest of it. Because once a stock moves, we all know it gets risky. It's very risky if a stock is going up 20%, 50%, because the chances are sellers are going to come in, especially with penny stocks. We've seen it all the time. We get pumps and dumps. So people might ask, well, how do we get in on the bottom? I am going to show you guys. There is not a perfect system that will say at 64 cents is the very absolute bottom. That's impossible. But I will show you where do I think the bottom is and how to get precise entries. So CTNT, I did not start alerting this. I waited about 7 daily candles. So if you count the daily candles of not hitting your EMA 5, this was the last touch I counted that we hit the EMA 5 right in here, and then we went down. So if you count all these candles here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in here, I started Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 days. And keep in mind, if you don't hit the EMA 5 and 5 candles, 5 daily candles, that is pretty long. I love the 7 daily candle as that is kind of a magic number here. But as you can see, we went to a low of here of 71 cents and we pumped. I have scalped this many times, and I can show you the people in my premium Discord can testify that I have made over 20% returns on just CTNT within this little formation. You might be asking, like, how the heck? It's because I use intraday time frames to get the bottoms of these wisps most of the time. So what I do is often, what I will do is look at the 5-minute, and you will see, I'll show you guys the last time here. I remember right in here, we had a nice solid move. I know we're going to hit the EMA 5 on the daily candle, and I'll discuss more about that. We have to hit the EMA 5. It's just the most common and shortest EMA that gets hit all the time. You get retests a lot. So right in here, we had a retest. We had the 5-minute breach the 68 cents here, and I loved it. I was like, okay, this is an ATR 4. If you guys don't know, I use the band strategy. Average true range, if it hits this bottom band on any time frame, you get a rejection. And sometimes you get a rejection, and we go all the way to the upper band. So in here, I was like, okay, I'm going to start. I alerted this in the chat. I saw it go down, and I waited for a retest, as often you guys get it. And then we went all the way up and alerted the sell at 76 cents. Plenty of profits for everyone because it went to 79. That was a nice, beautiful gain of about 11%. And the last one was after hours. This is one right here I saw. I did the same tactic. We had this 5-minute candle. Look what happened. We hit the daily band very big, and it went way more than I expected, but we had a very bullish thing because people like me are buying on these kind of things. So what happened is we had this massive move up, and we hit 90 cents from a low of 70. We had it, I believe, at, I don't know, I think we had it at 74 or 79, around a 77-cent average, and then I was able to sell it at 88, alert in the chat. So I'm just showing you guys this because that's kind of how you get like really precise entries on an intraday time frame. And as we're looking at the 5-minute right now, I was a little sloppy here. I'll admit I got it at 69 cents. I used the 1 minute because I really was thinking this thing is due for a run. So I looked at the 1 minute, and I got in right around this area here. I just put an alert, and we got in right in here. And as you can see, we had a 1 minute just go right through and then rejected and got the, so this was the area here. But I am looking to add very big tomorrow because I know this thing is due for a run. And if we look at the longer term on the daily candle, one, you can see right here our KDJ. I love looking at KDJ because the lower it is, the more shorter term time frame you can get a bounce. This is at a 4.08. That's very nice, guys. And look at this room up we had to the EMA 5. We know we're going to hit it. And honestly, this will freaking make my day. I have seen stocks go straight to the EMA 10. This would not be bizarre. If it does go straight to the EMA 10, it will probably retest this upper candle here at the 133. I'm not saying it's going to do, so don't hold me accountable, but we have at least a retest to the 80-cent area. I really think that's going to happen. Okay, so that's CTNT. For everyone that keeps watching, I'm going to discuss stock number 2. That's one of my favorites that has the same identical pattern, and that is MTC. I was able to scalp this one for a 5% gain, and I could have made a lot more, and I'll show you why. MTC, same pattern. We had this big, massive move up. We hit the upper band. We know we're going to sell off, so we do a sell-off right in here. Where do we go to? EMA 5. We try to do the bounce from EMA 5, and then we sell off. Okay, same pattern, so I can make this one faster. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 7 is like really rare. So we look to getting into position, and we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 daily candles of not hitting the EMA 5. We are poised for a run. We also have a very small K on the KDJ. And as you can see, we're due for a run over 40 cents. Easy whammy wham. And we can easily get way above the EMA 5. I'm not saying EMA 5 is like the stopping point. I predict we can get into this area here and have a retest at the highs of these upper candles here for resistance. And you will be looking at what is that, around 46, almost 50 cents. So same thing here. We look for the 5-minute candle. I alerted this one right in here. It got close enough. I did 38.20. We got in today, and as you can see, we rematch the bottom band. So everyone is watching. I do love the 1-minute and 5-minute candles. I was able to get in. As you can see, this thing had some massive spikes here and there. This was one of the big spikes we had, making massive returns. And what I'm really wanting to see is before, I'll show you like the biggest spike it had. Look at this big spike. I was not in at this time. As you can see, this thing can get moving fast. Before this was 45 cents and 60. I have it at 38 cents. So we will be looking for that big spike. I made 5% on some of these spikes here and here. So that's why it is nice to join the Discord, because I am alerting a target price and a sell of when I'm trying to get out. I'm very conservative, and I like to make consistent runs. So this is the next candle. CTNT and MTC are very identical, and I think these two can make a massive return for you guys to make money. Hope these two stocks help you guys. This is kind of a freebie for the ones watching my YouTube, but obviously if you're in the Discord, that's really the best time, because I've seen these stocks go up and then they go down, and then people are like, oh, I didn't know an exit plan. I'm here for you guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. And if you want to join, all you do is click the link down below into the YouTube comments. There'll be a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and it will be pinned. And so when you click that link, it takes you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is read how to subscribe. Very nice knowledge. Read avoid scammers. There's going to be people that want to DM you or impersonate me. I will never DM you first, and the only service I offer is the $6 a month. So keep that in mind. What you want to do is head on to the subscriptions tab and hit premium chat, and when you do that, it will opt you in to subscribe. It is only $6 a month, guys. I think you guys are gonna really love it. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer, because if you do it on your phone and through the app, it will charge an iOS fee, and it will be like $1 or $2 more. I am trying to help you guys out, and let me show you the amazing value you're gonna get. I'm not just like, I've been in a lot of Discord, so I know how to improve, and I have lots of vast of knowledge, and I have a strategy that I'm telling you, I'm here to prove that I can win over 95% of my trades, and that is a fact as I'm journaling my trades. So what you're going to get is my R2K swing trades. You're going to get my actual entries and exits. So we were talking about CTNT, so you can see right in here my entries and then some exits and why I take and all of that. Education videos, I am going to upload videos here and there, so do watch all my videos. RTK Journal is where I'm here to show you that I can win over 95% of my trades doing this system. So you can get my stocks I'm in with the averages I'm in with, my whole time, my date, my everything about it, even notes of why I like the stock. So you never left in the dust. You're going to be confident, and if I'm winning a trade, you're winning, and if I'm losing, we're in the fire together. I don't just leave you abandoned. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. This is the premium Discord. It's very nice, it's very clean, and for only $6 a month, you will be a profitable trader. Hope you guys take the time to join that. And if you like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. These are my two favorite stocks, CTNT and MTC. Let's join the ride, and let's make some gains together. Peace out.